Hi everyone, I did a little makeup tutorial. If you guys want to watch it, stay tuned. It's a pink, kind of a gold to pink to smoky eye look. I couldn't decide on lips, so I just went dark. Used my regular Kat Von D. Okay. I've already moisturized my face. I used the Clinique Dramatically Different moisturizing gel. I've been using that for years. Love it. Now I'm going to use my DIY makeup mist setting spray. I'm going to use my eyeshadow primer. I'm going to use this concealer. I'm just going to put it right under my eyebrows. I mean, unless you want to give the people a show. I'm gonna use the Riviera palette from Anastasia, my favorite. And I'm gonna use Bahamas, that bright pink color. Oh wait, you know what? Is it too late? Maybe, let's just
I'm just using the NYX Jumbo pencil here.
try this. Because I've been wanting to see like if it will make my eyeshadow pop more. Round 2. Okay. Now I'm going to take the Norvina palette from Anastasia, and I'm going to use the color Dazzling. It's like this gold bronzy looking color. Okay. Now over top of that pink, I'm gonna go in with this glittery pink called Palermo. I don't know if I said that right. Probably not. So we're just building. The bright pink was our base, and now we're just building on top of it. Okay, okay. Now I'm gonna take the color Incense and just kind of like smoke a little bit. Give it a little bit of a light smoke. So smoky. Smoke and blend. I think I'm gonna use Passion smoky color. It's on the Norvina palette. Yeah. I like that one. And this is where we're getting our fallout from this dark color. This is why I haven't done my foundation yet. Okay, and just to darken it up even more, I'm gonna use the color Drama. It's right here. Now I'm going to use some makeup remover wipes and just clean up the bottom. We're not done.
Get the fallout. It just sticks to my skin. I'll be smearing around eyeshadow.
I'm going to take a little bit of gold from my Stila palette. Now from that same Stila palette, I'm going to take this color. I think that is Sunset Soiree, and put it under my eyebrow.
This chair is so uncomfortable. I need that ball.
Okay, and that's it for our upper eyelids. Now I'm just going to move on to my foundation, powder, contour, highlighter, and eyebrows. And once I do all that, we'll move on to the lower lash line. I'm going to use my Revlon Oh, wait, no. I'm going to use my CoverGirl True Blend. Excuse me. And I'm just putting it on with my hands because I'm kind of in a hurry. Make sure your hands are clean if you do this.
I always keep a bottle of spray alcohol. Spray my hands right before I do this. Blend. Look at that technique.
If you can put lotion on your face, you can put foundation on your face. You know, if you think that your foundation looks bad or whatever, don't just put lotion on your face. Practice doing that and then switch over to foundation. Uh-oh, I hear a little baby. And then for my spot treatments, I use the Marc Jacobs Remarkable. This stuff is like paint. I love it. I actually heard they were discontinuing the Marc Jacobs Remarkable foundation. It used to be like $60 a bottle. Ridiculous, right? But it's on sale right now for 20 something. So if you like this stuff, you need to stock up on it because there's nothing else like it out there. I don't put it all over my face unless I'm going out and I need my makeup to stay on all night. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I don't want to start crying on video then.
Once our foundation is on, I'm going to go in with our Airspun powder.
Apply liberally.
Up next, our Fenty contour. It's that hot girl bummer anthem. Turn it up and throw attention. Now I'm going to use my new favorite highlighter, the She Glam 3D Pro Face Palette in the color Copper. I mean, this is good stuff. This is, look at that. Wow. Wow. I can't believe it was that cheap. Just a little bit of a spray, not too much. I, today, am going to use this Wet n Wild Pro Brow Retractable Pencil. I used to spend bukus of money on the Anastasia eyebrow pencil, but I started branching out to the drugstore brands. They do the same thing.
Anastasia wants like $20 for one eyebrow pencil. You get like 5 or 6 of them from the drugstore for that amount.
Okay, now I'm done with my eyebrows and face. I'm gonna do my lower lash line for my eyelids. Back to the Riviera. Going back with Bahamas Bright Pink. Now we're gonna go to Dazzling with that same little brush.
Okay.
Now we're gonna use that dark color Passion again. Okie doke, okie doke. Time for my absolute favorite, eyeliner. Y'all know I mess this up every time. Every time I use it. I'm gonna pause this video. Give myself a pep talk. Okay, deep breath. Wet and Wild eyeliner time. Here we go. Okay, I've definitely seen worse. Okay, not the best, but not the worst. We're gonna use some L'Oreal Voluminous. I don't know which one is newer, which one's dried out. I guess we're gonna find out. Now for my second favorite part, eyelashes. Eyelashes. And I'm actually not getting better at them. Maybe one day. These are just those cheap little Shein eyelashes that I got. Put the adhesive on it. As if I know what I'm actually doing.
What's wrong with adhesive? There we go. Let it dry for a minute.
Okay. Here we go.
What is this black spot? Why?
But it's trying to ruin my day. Okay, eyelashes are done. Now it's time to decide about our lips. What's we gonna wear? I'm gonna use Crucifix by Kat Von D.
Thin layers. Thin layers.
I think that's gonna be okay. I don't need to keep lining and lining because, you know, I'll end up with lipstick way up here. All right, now I'm going to, well, I guess my hair is already pretty parted. I was gonna spray my hair, put it in clear elastics. I'm not even gonna wear a wig cap, and I'm gonna wear this pink curly wig that I found on Amazon and a headband. I'll go do that and I'll be back. And all I did was secure it to my head, scoot it back, and put a headband on. I really wanted it to be more of like a headband look today.
So I got a text message and my phone stopped recording right here. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask me. I appreciate you watching, liking, commenting, subscribing, whatever. Hope you all have a great day. Bye.